And today we have a very interesting session. It's going to be an AI integration, but that's that. We're going to wait just a couple of minutes and we can start. Tony, are you going to speak today in the stage? Let me invite you. Perfect. Great.
Hey, everyone.
Hey
Can you
there, how
hear
are
me?
you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. What about you?
I'm doing super great, super happy to be here. So let me just ask eBay, we are ready to go. The recording is in place. Perfect. So let me start with the introduction about the session, and then we can go to you to explain a little bit the project. So for those who joined for the first time, I'm Fifi from the Grant Support Squad, and this is the testing session that we held for all the grantees in this Decentraland Grants program. The idea is to share with you the lab's updates of the project and to invite you to provide early feedback on this product that you're going to see today. I'm going to send in the chat the test plan for this session, and there you will find some instructions and some data that will be helpful for you to run this testing. You can also request a place on the stage and to talk with all the community. And if you wanna share your screen, you can do it as well. But you will find also a reporting sheet where you can put your comments. At the end of the session, I will come back to the stage to wrap up the session. And also, I will give you, everyone that stay here for at least 40 minutes, I will give you a pod that you can claim, will appear in your profiles, that you were here to help us. So I don't. Oh no, are you hearing me or not?
I can hear you clearly.
Oh, perfect! Because I did amazing that presentation. So I will regret if that wasn't done. Okay, great. So perfect, you hear that. So here are the test plan and the reporting sheet for the today's project. Thank you everyone for joining. Well, Tony, it's all yours if you wanna. Oh no, I sent the
I
wrong.
think, I think the wrong file.
Yeah,
Wrong
wrong
link.
files. Yeah, I sent the ones that was the templates. Sorry, everyone, it's this one. Perfect, it's all yours.
Yeah, hey everyone again. Thank you to having me today. I wanna our project. It's AI integrations tools for developers in the first place. And I want to ask you help to test it. It is deployed to the Genesis City. You can go. Yeah, thank you, Zina. I'll send the link in the chat. So anyone who can test, please go to this link here. Or maybe I can share the screen and show what exactly I need to do. What do you think? If anyone can hear me?
Yes, we can hear you well.
Yeah. Okay. I'm waiting for someone on the parcel. Someone joining?
People are joining. They're open the file.
Oh,
So let's wait.
okay, great. Yeah, actually, I can. Let me check. Can you see my screen?
Now we can.
Yeah. So for now, it's here is 3 items that connected to LLMs, large language models. So the first one, it is image generation. We can press the button, press UI appear, and for example, we can write the prompt. I don't know, party in metaverse. We have to wait a bit. It is generating now. One second, guys. Let me check. Sorry, guys, my bad. I rebooted the backend. 1 second, please.
Great, no problem. I sent here in the chat a spreadsheet for you to report backs. So please enter and let me know if you want to do that, everyone.
Okay. Yeah. So we need to or reload the page or just go somewhere outside of the parcel and go back. I started the backend and now it should work. Yeah. The generation of the image is working. So the second things, I'm asking you to test it as well because it's working for me. I want to be sure it's working for anyone. The second item, it is music generation. Same things. We have to write a prompt. Since the music is a bit heavy for generation, it takes time. Not much, but so I can hear the music. I'm not sure, that my mic got it. I'm not sure that you can hear my music, but please check it. So, and the main things, it's NPC avatars powered by large language models. So the first thing you can just ask her about anything. For example, what is Decentraland? It will generate the response.
Hello. Decentraland is a virtual world where users
and the voice over.
explore and interact with each other in a decentralized.
I want you test the response and the voiceover as well. Second thing, we can talk on our birth language. For example, now you can try the Spanish, but anyway, we even can ask her to talk in other language. For example, tell me about Decentraland in Spanish. But you can write directly in Spanish or any other language, and she'll answer with voiceover as well.
Claro. Decentraland es una plataforma virtual
Yeah, it's
descentralizada donde los usuarios
working
pueden
for me.
comprar, vender, construir y explorar tierras virtuales. Es un universo digital en el que la creatividad y la colaboración se combinan para crear un mundo en constante evolución. Es un lugar
So
increíble
these
para conocer nuevas
three,
personas, explorar mundos
four
imaginarios y
actual
disfrutar
things
experiencias únicas. ¿Hay algo
would be
más que te gustaría
nice
saber
if
sobre
someone
Decentraland?
can test it
Estoy
and
aquí
give a
para
feedback.
ayudarte.
It's already open sourced. If anyone interested to integrate it in your scene, so you can reach me by Discord or Twitter, and I'll be happy to help to integrate it. And the end of the month, we will bring as well role playing for these NPCs with predefined history, with predefined some goals, what she or he must do. And we are working now on integrating. It's called function calling in LLMs. We try to integrate Ethereum wallet to the NPC, that it could get the payment or even make payments, sell something. It is in a really experimental stage, but we got some great results. That I will describe it in the next report on the ground page. That's all. If someone have any question, let me know.
Hi, the project looks pretty cool. I was just wondering, are you gonna update the UI interfaces so that we can have both positive and negative prompts?
Actually, I didn't think about it, about negative prompts. It is the tools for developers. I assume that all the settings will be on the back end. Developer will set it like negative prompts, additions to positive prompts, etc. But it's not really complicated to edit what the negative prompt.
Okay. And for a little bit more clarification, you guys aren't hosting the server on your own, and people aren't just going to be able to download the npm and install that into their scene, right? They're going to have to set up the server, host that on their own, as well as buy the API keys for like OpenAI or replication or whatever you're using for like the text and audio generation, right?
Yeah, got it. So there is a few options. You definitely can use the OpenAI API key and Trophic, like Cloud 2. But the main things you can use local LLMs. So like Mistral, like Gemma, especially for Gemma, for example, it's 2 billion parameters. It's really lightweight, and you can use it on the like consumer grade hardware. Yeah, and we got the two options: local LLMs and API.
Okay. So you get to pick between like the whether you want to host that on your own hardware or use foreign API keys. Do you have an example of this working for the local models, or is this all in here still using API keys from like OpenAI and stuff?
For now, for this testing, I switched for OpenAI, but in the description of the library, the links you can find on the grant page report, there is README description, how to use local models, where to switch it, and yeah.
Okay, awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Thank you for your questions.
We cannot hear you if you're talking.
No, I don't talking. I'm not talking anything. Yeah, I'm just asking if someone has have any question.
Great. I don't know if there we have one from Risk. What's the difference between the one you create and this one on Decentraland Studio?
This one, it's using only in-world AI IPA. So our project is using OpenAI API, Aptrophic, Hugging Face inference, and as well you can use local models. So there is huge choice of the models. Yeah, thank you for the question.
Okay, great. So we can wait a couple of minutes if someone has other question or if we should cover another test. We still have time, so we can use it for whatever we want.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Sina, for
thank
being
you.
here.
Thank you for joining. Yeah, have a nice one.
So, everyone, if there is no other question, maybe we can wrap up. Thank you, Tony, for being here. In the chat, I sent you a form where you can tell us a little bit more about the session, what do you think, and I will share later anonymous the feedback to Tony. Well, that's it. Thank you, everyone, for being here.
Yeah, thank you, Fifi.